Goes to Bulls. Receives a point, Sir Canario. Sir Morris. Sa game, nakita pa yun. 2 points, Sir Rabisillas. Mas possession po tayo for change 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal. Ganda na pasa ni Sir Morris. Sir Debo, easy 2 points. Change 5. Ito siya shoot na natin on 10. Servania, pasi Sir Zabala. Hinaharas ng tatlo. Nakita ang kapatid. 7 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Steal. Sir Almonisido. Kanya na yan. Isa 2 points, Sir Almonisido. Jaguars ball. Score po natin, 12-10. 2-point lead for Blue Jaguars. Steal. Sir Ogardo. Pinahabol ng dalawa. Step back for 3. Rogo. Rebounded by Sir Albion. Sir Zamora, perimeter shot, no good. Rebounded by Sir Zabala. Pass to Sir, steal na naman. Sir Almonisido, hanap na kakampi. Sir Gardo, first personal foul, first team foul. 22 seconds to shoot.
Yung ano na natin. Yung unahan.
Kumbaga sa loob ng ano pula, sa loob ng pula. Sa loob na shaded ka, sa loob.
Yung 3 points po natin mga sir sa loob po ng ano, ng hindi kasi
Hindi, magka-transparent kasi blue red.
Not,
3 seconds remaining.
Sir Zamora, first personal foul, third team foul. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Sahagon, second personal foul and running for penalty. Bonus shot for Sir Zabala. Sir Ricardo, huluan ni Sir Sahagon. Pasa Sir Baez. Sir Baez. Pasa Sir Almonisido. For perimeter shot. 2 points. Grabe yung Jaguars. Nice defense. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Zamora. Jump ball.
Di bola, di bola.
Jaguars ball. So sa hagod. Wow. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Play lang tayo, play lang, play.
10 seconds. Out of bounds, Jaguars ball. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Foul, Sir Falia, first personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir De Ocampo.
Ma, okay ka lang dyan? Silaw pala dito. Maganda dito gabi, no?
Babae yun. Tinatanong ko sa kanila. Ako yun yung guwapo doon. Tatanong ko nga kung pwede na sila mag-asawa. Bibigyan ko na lang yung mga
10 seconds to shoot. Sir Rosales for 3. Malakas na yun. Rebounded by Sir Baez. Last 1 minute. Sir Almonicido. Hesi. Foul. Foul, jersey number 27, Sir Falia. That's his second personal foul and third team foul. 2 shots for Sir Almonicido.
Nakakasilaw. Hirap to, no?
Yung CBC.
So for 52 seconds. Fadeaway shot, grabe naman yan. 2 points, Sir Zabala. 30 seconds. Sir Zahagon, pinawi naman. 20 seconds. Time to shoot. Sir Falia.
Penalty na. Penalty na, sabi mo. Penalty.
Penalty po tayo, Rep. Foul, Sir De Ocampo. First personal foul and penalty.
Penalty.
Hindi, parang matigas talaga.
Parang aga pa ito.
Last 5 seconds. Ready to shot clock. And the first quarter. Our official score 19-14. 5-point lead for Blue Jaguars. Rebounded by Sir. Passes Sir Verdejo. 2 versus 1. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Passes Sir Amaro.
Wait lang po, check ko lang sino pa yung di nakakapasok sa blue.
Sa pwede ba sa second half?
Okay. Paglilinaw mo, pag di pa nila pinasok ng next 5, di na sila pwede.
Ilan yung round pa? Parehas ang
Rebounded by Sir Brioso. Pasa Sir Verdejo. Sable. 13 seconds to shoot. Sable. 10 seconds to shoot. Sergioso, perimeter shot. No good. Rebounded by Sir Kim. Sir De La Agua. Woo! Ayan.
First, second, sir na po.
Sir the ball, first personal foul, second team foul. Sable, 17 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Kim. Sir Kim, hinahanap si Sir Rivas. Sir Kim, coast to coast pala! Sayang yun! Kanino? Chines ball. Foul, Sir Nabor, jersey number 5, second personal foul and third team foul. Two shots for Sir Rivas. Score po natin, 19-15. Chubo Sir Verdejo. Who's foul rep? Sir Nabor, third personal foul and parting for penalty. Steal. Out of bounds, Chivas ball. Rebounded by Sir Kim. Warning po ang bench ng blue for resentment to a call. Tough shot, Supo and Sir Canayo.
Sir, bench po. Bench.
Sir Kim, perimeter shot, 2 points. Alam mo na. Sir Kim, pasa sa Berdeo. Hinahabol ng Chida, dalawa ba yan? Rebounded by Sir Canayon. Pasa Sir Rivas. Sir Rivas, lilipat na! Sayang, nasundutan. Foul, Sir Yagi. First personal foul and first team foul.
Passport! Pinasa, pinasa! Passport yun, passport! Okay na.
14 seconds to shoot. Sir Del Agua, pasok sa gitna. Nakita Sir Brioso, pasok Sir Verdeo. Ang dami nangyari. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Team na naman. 2 points.
Madilim ko sa camera. Makilaan.
Is it 2 points, Sir Canayo?
Last possession!
Last possession po before change 5. Seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Hanco. Pass to Sir Rivas.
Tatlo! Tatlo!
Rebounded by Sir Verdeo.
Baba!
Nice pass. Rebounded by Sir Hanco. Pass to Sir Yage. 3 versus 1. Anong gagawin ng blue? Anong gagawin ng brown? Is it so? Change 5. Grabe. Pasok na po yung yung mga hindi pa po nakapasok sa blue.
Ayan si Melenso. Melenso. Sararias.
Score po natin 25-23. 2-point lead for Blue Jaguars. Sir Melanchon. Rebounded by Sir Falia. Pasa sa Robardo. Sir Zabala. Papasok sa gitna. Inaarahan ni Sir Melanchon. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Sahago. Pasa sa Antonisido. Lumipad na. Bitin lang. Rebounded by Sir Robardo. Pasa Sir Zabala. Nakita Sir Rosales. Sayang. 14. Penalty po tayo, penalty. Sir Canilias, first personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Zabala.
Okay po. Good job.
Isa na lang po ang inahabol ng Brown Cheetahs. Sir Canillas. Steal. Sir Falia nagmamadali. Hintay lang daw, sabi ng timpe. Nakita Sir Zabala. Ang tigas si Sir Canillas. Rebounded by Sir Amonisto. Top shot! Chibon sa Sahago. Robin! Chibon sa Zabala. Sir Luisino, pasa sa Sahago. offensive foul po tayo.
Hindi kasama sa
Hindi kasama ka.
Rebounded by Airbounds. Isa lang po ang lamang ng blue. Zero Salis for three. No good. Putback is good by Sel Zavala. At lamang na po ang Raul Chinas. Rebounded by
Sinong foul? Penalty! Penalty!
Alam mo kami isa? Isa lang?
Yes! Isa lang. Ay, tatlo na.
Sir Melencio on first personal foul.
Naman kami, di ba? Apo, sir.
Isa pa lang. Ay, natatatlo ng ano. Tapos ito ang
3-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Thirteen seconds to shoot. Wobbling.
Kailan nga tatawagan mo?
Tapos na quarter na to. Wait lang.
Rebounded by Sir Sahagun. Sir Sahagun. Passes sa Del Campo. 2 points. Sir Zavala. Rebounded pa rin niya. 2 points Sir Zavala.
Tapos na tatlo na.
Rebounded by. Out of bounds. Cheetahs ball. 35 seconds. Timeout, Blue Jaguars. Wala na po kayo shot na. 2 seconds.
Nagka-basketball.
Wait lang, papabukas ko na yung ilaw ah.
May inutosan na ako.
Sino?
Bata. Tawag-tawagan mo din. Napaka-irresponsible naman nun.
Ay, di ano pa dito?
Support pa po.
Support pa. Ay, hanggang third pa.
2 points, Sir Arias. Sir Verdejo. 1 point lead for Blue Jaguars.
O, namamatay monitor.
Okay na?
10 seconds to shoot. Cervantes, first personal foul, first team foul. 4 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Pasa Sir Canayo.
Sir, push foul yun. 14 dapat. Okay lang, okay lang.
Rebounded by Sir Nabor. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by 5 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Canayo. Sir Canayo pa rin. Wala talaga. Rebounded by Sir Arias. Seconds to shoot. Steal. Sir Kim, first personal foul, second team foul. Seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Casillas. Sir Nabor, fourth personal foul and third team foul. Warning for graduate na po, Sir Nabor. Foul.
Okay naman na. Nawawala siya pa. Ito dito mo anuhan.
Sir Kim, second personal foul and warning for penalty.
Tapos taas mo to dito, itong cord mo to. Wala. Taas mo nga to nito. Pag nagagalaw kasi ang galing mo muna hanap.
Okay na po, okay na po.
Ano yan, may foul ba?
2 shots for Sir Rivas.
Oh.
1 point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Out of bounds. Cheetahs ball.
Yung pala yung problema ko din man.
Pag gamit ko sa word, hindi.
Sir Amaro pa rin. Out of bounds. Same ball. 14 seconds.
Pa.
Penalty po tayo rin. Sir Kim, third personal foul and penalty.
Dirty dyan! Can you look around kung merong nagtitinda ng parang pizza doon? Mga pizza. Huwag kang lumayo.
Sir Kim, mukhang babawi. Sir Kim, pasok sa gitna. At Sir Orias, at Sir Baez. Back to Sir Orias. 10 seconds to shoot. Sir Verdejo. Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Traveling. Two-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Seconds to shoot. 2 points, Sir Orias. And we are tied at 35.
Ano lang?
Sir Yage, perimeter shot. Rebounded by Sir Baez. Ito na ang Blue Jaguars. Balik kay Sir Baez. Perimeter shot. No good. Sir Amaro. Paso sa Rivas. 2 points. Rebounded by Sir Tanayo. Ito na ang Brown Cheetahs. Sir Rivas na naman.
Hindi sila nakashoot, kami nakashoot ah. Hindi sila nakashoot ah, 33 ah.
35 na po, okay na po.
Tatlo naman namin. Pasutin mo muna, siyempre. Saka papalitan. Nice shot.
Change 5.
Apat na tayo. Sir, ano yun, sir? Tatlo lamang namin kanina eh. Tatlo ka lang yun? Di sir, nag-call 35 na kayo, sir. Nabalang tayo mo, sir.
Last shot for Sir Rivas.
Pag nakashoot, papalitan siya. Pero pag continuous tayo. Tapos dead ball, ano? Pag nakashoot ulit. Oo, palit lang. Sige.
So sa bala.
Mandatory po. Sir Rivas.
Okay na po. Score natin, 35-38. 3-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Sir Del Agua. Perimeter shot. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Pass to Sir Zabala. Out of bounds, Simo. Rebounded by Sir Falia. Ang sipag. Sir Rogardo. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Sahabog. Knocking foul. Sir Rogardo, second personal foul and first team foul. "17 seconds. Steal. 15 seconds. "10 seconds to shoot.
si
Yun, sir. Number ano yan, sir?
28.
28. 27.
Technical foul. Sir, ano? Sir, foul niya.
Okay po, technical foul for Sir Falia. Jump ball po tayo so mapupunta sa Brown Cheetahs.
Ma'am, technical foul si Pali kasi ano na bola? Tapos, bola ng Brown.
Sir Rosales for 3. No good. Foot back, no good. Rebounded by Sir Sahagun. Sir Zabala, jersey number 5, second personal foul, third team foul. Nice pass.
Rep, anong decision, rep? Regular lang, rep.
Sir Zabala, jersey number 5, third personal foul. And warning for penalty. Isa na lang po ang inahabol ng Blue Jaguars. Rebounded by Sir Ramores. Pasa del Agua. Sir del Agua, pasa al Municipal. No good. Out of bounds, Jaguars ball. Results po, Sergio Campo. Lamang na po ang Blue Jaguars. Rebounded by Sir Rosales. Seconds to shoot. Sir Rosales for 3, no good. Out of bounds, Jaguars ball. Score natin 39-38. 1 point lead for Blue Jaguars. Seconds to shoot. Grabing dugot yun. Out of bounds, Jaguars ball. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Del Agua. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. by Blue. Jaguars ball. Oras natin, 52 seconds. 52 seconds. Woo! Sayang. Seven Lores, first personal foul. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Mangalat si Sir Rosales. Sir Almonisido. Hinahabol si Roberto. Foul!
Penalty parehas ah! Penalty parehas!
Pero nag-set ng 5 seconds na lang. Nag-set ng 5 seconds.
Ayan o! Sabi namin yung oras! Sir, shot clock din sir! Shot clock!
Sergio Campos, second personal foul. Wala na po tayo shot clock. 10 seconds. No shot clock. Sir Roberto for 3. No good. 5 seconds.
Rep, ano tawag rep?
Foul.
Penalty! Penalty!
Sir Del Agua, second personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Zabala.
Sila, tatlo na lamang nila.
Oras natin mga sir, 3.1 seconds. 3.1 seconds. 2.4 seconds. 2.4 seconds. End of third quarter. Oras, score po natin, 41.
Tugtugan mo pa. Kamakawa yan.
Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Roberto. Paso Sir Rivas. Foul. Sergio Campo, third personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Rivas.
Kapag sa Facebook yun, sabi niya, "Tapos pa lang nakareplay ko." Ma, parang agad eh.
Tingnan mo nga doon, di pantay oh.
Who's foul rep? Sir Rivas, first personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sergio Campo.
First team foul. First team foul.
Substitution rep. Substitution po.
Sir, dead ball. Pasok ka.
It's a 2 points for Hampo. Another is good by Sir Bias. Steal. Three points, Cerro. First 3 points of our game.
Dead ball, pre. 10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Sir Rivas. Rebound by Sir De Ocampo. Blue Jaguars. Foul. Substitution rep. Substitution rep.
Gardo for warning second.
Sir Ogardo, fourth personal foul and second team foul. Warning for graduate Sir Ogardo.
Baba na sir, no?
Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Jump ball. Jugger's ball. Sergio Ocampo, fourth personal foul and second team foul. Warning for graduate Sergio Ocampo.
Ano pong pagkain gusto mo?
Dead ball, dead ball.
Ang imong kamot, dirty ang kamay? Wala.
Substitution rep.
Gawa ka ng
Substitution.
bola.
Pasok.
Wala kang ba ang biscuit? Dami-daming pagkain sa
Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep?
Magastos
Who's
naman
foul rep?
dito.
Second, third.
Sige, pasok, pasok. Pasok lahat ng magsasab.
Oh. Huwag kang bumili ng biscuit na sobrang tamis.
Sir Baez, second personal foul, third team foul. Steal.
Rep, sino foul rep?
Who's foul rep?
Tatlo lamang namin.
Dalawa
lang.
44 na yung blue.
Sir Hampton, first personal foul, third team foul.
Retro doon kanina.
Opo, nakaano po.
Foul, jersey number 0, Sir Almonicido. First personal foul and warning for penalty. 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a 2-point, Sir Falla. Substitution ref. Wobbling. Sir Rivas. Chibol.
Lalo ang
Sir Falla, fourth personal foul and fourth team foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty and warning for graduate, Sir Falla.
Free throw! Atak nila!
18 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Rivas.
Basket time.
10 seconds to shoot. Sir Zabala for 3. No good.
Sir, mainit, mainit.
Graduate ang Sir Palma, sir.
Alya, malapit.
Sir Falla, graduate na po.
Penalty.
Isa lang, easy.
Sir.
27 na, sir. 27.
Rep.
Tapos kami? Tapos na kami?
Yes, sir. Ayun, sir. Oh, ito.
Score po natin, 51-44. 7-point lead for Brown Cheetahs.
Sino yung ano niya?
Lumang ba daw ng suntok? Nag-retro ba?
Two shots for Sir Clavicilias.
Penalty na yung blue. Ay, yung brown.
Kami penalty.
Dalawa pa.
Ay, sa dami.
Warning na eh.
Warning na pa.
Cheetahs ball. 7-point lead for Brown Cheetahs.
Eh, bakit dead ball?
Entering the court.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty na.
Penalty ba tayo, ref? Penalty po, penalty.
Third na siya.
Sir Sahagon, third personal foul and penalty.
Nabis na siya.
Votings po, penalty po. Once again, both teams penalty.
Mainit yung ulo ng number, number 18.
Opo, pumasok ang dalawa.
Rebound by Sir Hampton. Pasa Sir Canayo. Pasa Sir Ogardo. Sir Ogardo for three. No good. Rebounded by Sir Kim. Sir Sahabun is into points. Balik sa pito ang inahabol ng Blue Jaguars.
Dagger!
Rebounded by Sir Sahabun. Uzitsuko. Timeout. Wild Cheetahs. Score po natin 53-48. 5-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Gandang laban ko. Back to the ball game. Score natin 48-53. 5 kalamangan para sa Brown. Siya sa bahala ng Araro na. Penalty po tayo, ref. Both teams penalty.
Makulit mo. Semifinals na.
Both teams penalty po. Sir Hampton, second personal foul.
Pahingi ako terus ulit mas, sarap na.
Hindi na, wala na tayong pera. Ang kamay mo, tas hawak ka sa pagkain.
Rebounded by Sir Luisito. He's into points. Dalawa na lang ang inaabol na Blue Jaguars. Who's foul rep? Taas kamay ang foul. Sir Almonicibo, second personal foul and penalty.
Nag-time out ba sila? Wala pa. Nag-time out na kayo ngayon, Port. Kaya dalawa pa. Ay, yung blue, ilan pa? Blue, time out na. Tatlo pa, blue.
All 53. Rebounded by Sir Verdejo. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Pasa Sir Ricardo.
Wait lang, hintayin natin yung referee ah.
Basket counts tapos foul.
Depende yan sa point of view ng ano.
Di rin naman papayag. Pag hindi nila kinounted yun, nauna yung tira bago yung contact.
Bakit sino yun eh?
Basket count.
Basket count!
Nice one. Baba. Down. Double foul. Baba. 3 points.
Kalma, wait lang. Double foul!
Warning.
Okay po, jersey number 16, Sir Hampton, third personal foul. Sir Clavesillas, warning for Gradway. Sir Hampton, fourth personal foul. Penalty. Warning for Gradway na po, Sir Hampton. One point lead for Brown Chicas. Ten seconds to shoot.
Red. Tingnan nyo rin naman yung hawak.
Sir Rivas, second personal foul.
Sige ba sa natawakan?
Kamay. Ikaw eh.
Isa lang yan.
Both teams po penalty po. Both teams penalty.
Ako kasi goal ng Brown eh. Ma, tabat na.
Wala na isa. Hindi to na ano. Hindi ko sinasagot. Init.
10 seconds. Two balls, Sol Municipal. Lamang na po ng isa ang blue. Same ball. Last 2 minutes. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound ito Sir Zabala. Clavesillas. Sir Clavesillas. Gradway.
Technical nyo, minura kayo.
Okay po. Sir Clavesillas po, graduate na po. 2 shots for Sir Zabala. Isa lang po ang inahabol ng Brown.
Para mag-OT pa.
Hindi, paralo na kami dyan. Hindi, mag-go.
Ay, grabe.
And we are tied at 57. Grabe. Ayaw magpatalo both teams.
With experience.
Tama kami sa experience.
Lamang na po ang Brown.
Ayaw kasi sumunod ng katawan ko, ang tabak ko.
Sir, may dalawa pang kita.
Stop!
Kunin mo na to. Panayong. Kunin mo na.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Ricardo. Si Rivas nagmamadali.
Kick, kick! Hawak lang! Shoot time out.
Lagyan mo ng music. Ano masyado pag ano. Naririnig nila isa't isa eh.
Sir Ricardo, third personal foul.
Rep, may foul po. Hindi free throw. Sino? Brown?
Free throw, sir. Walang timeout. Walang timeout.
Walang timeout.
Walang timeout. Free throw.
Free throw, blue.
Wala pong timeout.
Walang timeout, walang timeout. Wait lang, ilan pa timeout lang? Wait lang. Sa inyo, dalawa na lang.
Okay po, Blue Jaguars, 3 timeout. Brown, 2.
Card? Isa na lang yun.
5 na po, 5 na.
Graduate na?
Ay, grabe na siya? Oo. Tama, kaya tayo sa kanina. Ano, warning na
Shoot
siya.
time out, shoot time out.
Yes, sir.
Rebounded by Sergio Campo. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 balls, serve. Two balls, serve. Rebounded by Serrato. 20 seconds to shoot.
16 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot.
Nice, nice, nice.
6 seconds.
Sir, may timeout pa sila?
Tatlo.
Sir, tatlo pa tayo mag-isa.
Tatlo timeout, hindi kayo nagka-timeout.
Tatlo timeout namin?
Dalawa lang.
Third.
Sir Anmunicito, third personal foul. Penalty po.
Rep, basket timeout.
Basket timeout po tayo. Basket timeout.
Anak tayo pa.
Rep, kaya bebetan mo lang.
Nakakaibitan, nagusin na kasi. Isa pa. Walang pa.
Foul!
5 seconds to shoot. Steal.
1 second!
1.8.
Sir Baez, third personal foul and penalty.
Yan! Shoot mo na, shoot mo na! Shoot mo na!
Oras po natin, 2.6 seconds.
Shoot mo na, shoot mo na! Counted, counted! Shoot mo na, shoot mo na!
2.6 seconds.
Shoot mo na!
Lai.
Time out. Blue Jaguars. Score po natin, 63-59.